What is 10Web? 10Web is a revolutionary platform that combines AI-powered tools with robust features to help you create, manage, and optimize your e-commerce website. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, 10Web offers a suite of tools designed to make website building a breeze. Here's what makes 10Web stand out: AI e-commerce website builder. With 10Web's AI website builder, you can create stunning, fully functional e-commerce websites in minutes. The AI assists in designing layouts, adding content, and optimizing your site for SEO. The drag-and-drop interface makes customization simple, and the pre-built templates are perfect for those who need a quick, professional look. Fully managed WordPress hosting. 10Web offers fully managed WordPress hosting, ensuring your site runs smoothly and efficiently. This includes automatic updates, security enhancements, and daily backups. The hosting is powered by Google Cloud, providing top-notch performance and reliability. Domain registration. Simplify your workflow by managing your domain registration directly through 10Web. No need to juggle multiple providers, you can handle everything in one place. With a wide range of domain extensions available, you can find the perfect domain to represent your brand. Key features: AI-powered tools. The AI assistant can generate website content, create custom widgets, and even suggest SEO improvements. E-commerce ready. Seamless integration with popular e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce means you can start selling products immediately. Powerful features like automated inventory management, payment gateways, and shipping options are built in. Performance and security. 10Web ensures your site is fast and secure with features like image optimization, caching, and SSL certificates. Regular security scans and malware protection keep your site safe from threats. 24/7 support. Access to a dedicated support team available 24/7 to assist with any issues or questions you might have. Pricing. 10Web offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Personal plan, $10 per month, ideal for small blogs or personal projects, includes one website, 25,000 visits/month, and 10 GB storage. Premium plan, $24 per month, perfect for small businesses, includes 3 websites, 75,000 visits/month, and 20 GB storage. Agency plan, $60 per month, best for agencies and larger projects, includes 10 websites, 500,000 visits/month, and 50 GB storage. Enterprise plan, custom pricing, tailored solutions for large enterprises, includes unlimited websites, visits, and storage. Plus priority support. Go to 10Web today and get a special discount. The link for 10Web is in the description of this video, so there you have it, folks. 10Web is an impressive platform that combines the power of AI with robust hosting and domain services to make building and managing an e-commerce website easier than ever. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, 10Web has a plan and a set of tools to meet your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Have any questions or experiences with 10Web? Drop them in the comments below. Follow us on our social media channels for more updates and tips. That's it for today's video on 10Web. Until next time, happy website building!